Great scientists who believed in God, faith and science together. Welcome to Bible or Hum, where we explore the connection between faith and real life. Today's topic is very special. Can a scientist believe in God? Many people assume that science and faith are enemies, but the truth is quite the opposite. Some of the greatest minds in history, world-changing scientists, were deeply spiritual people who believed in God. Let's meet them. 1. Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, the father of modern physics and mathematics. He discovered the laws of motion and gravity. But did you know? Newton once wrote, "The most beautiful system of the sun, planets, and comets could only proceed from the counsel and dominion of an intelligent and powerful being." He spent more time studying the Bible than writing physics. To him, science was a way to understand God's creation. 2. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, the genius behind relativity. People often misquote him, but Einstein once said, "The more I study science, the more I believe in God." God does not play dice with the universe. Einstein didn't believe in a personal God of any one religion, but he strongly rejected atheism. He believed in a higher order, a cosmic intelligence, and often used the word God to describe that. 3. Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler, the astronomer who gave us the laws of planetary motion. He believed that studying the universe was an act of worship. He said, "I am merely thinking God's thoughts after him." He saw the stars and planets not as random, but as designed by divine intelligence. 4. Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal, brilliant mathematician and inventor. He created the first mechanical calculator and worked on probability theory. But his most famous quote, "The heart has its reasons which reason knows nothing of." Pascal believed that science explains how, but faith explains why. He was a devoted Christian who believed life without God is empty. 5. Modern scientists. Even today, many respected scientists believe in God. Francis Collins, the geneticist who led the Human Genome Project. He is a devout Christian and wrote The Language of God. Werner Heisenberg, the father of quantum mechanics, said, "The first gulp from the glass of natural sciences will make you an atheist, but at the bottom of the glass, God is waiting for you." Science doesn't cancel God, it points toward him. 6. The false war between science and faith. Some say science and religion contradict each other, but science and faith answer different questions. Science asks, how does the world work? Faith asks, why does the world exist at all? God gave us minds to explore the universe, not to deny him. Conclusion. So to all those who think belief in God is unscientific, think again. Some of the brightest stars in science were men of deep faith. They saw God's fingerprints in every equation,